Finance is defined as the management of money and includes activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. Evidence proved that the origin of finance is also old like human life on this earth. Originally, the word finance is a French word. In the 18th century, it was adopted by the English to mean the management of money. Finance is the management of funds or money and involves activities such as budgeting, borrowing, forecasting, investing, lending, and saving. In other words, finance is the study of managing funds and the process of acquiring the required funds. There are mainly two types of finance, which are debt finance and equity finance. The other types of finance are public finance, personal finance, corporate finance, and private finance. Finance is the process of channeling these funds in the form of credit, loans, or invested capital to those economic entities that most need them or can put them to the most productive use.